everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to apply or remove borders with the help of VBA. Now, when this going to be useful is like where your range is going to be different all the time, like the data that you are going to upload or download is going to be different every time. That is where, for presentation purpose, this macro can be used to apply or remove borders. So without wasting further time, moving on to my VBA editor. So first you need to define the range. My range is B4 to B10, but you can apply your range. Then you have to write borders, then line style, and I'll write line style Excel dot. And there are more line styles which I'll show you later in this video. Right after line styles, I'll show you how we can write colors. So I've written VB red. There are 8 inbuilt colors, so I'll explain to you those also. And after that, we will assign the weight to the line. So basically, this is the thickness of the border. Okay, so I've kept it as 4. 4 is the maximum, and I'll show you the other ones once I show you how this code is running. So I'll press F8, and as you can see on my screen, now we have the borders in my range B4 to B10, correct? And if I move on and apply the next code, which is red color, so as you can see, this is now changed to red color, and I have assigned the weight 4. So as you can see now, the thickness has increased to the maximum, which is allowed in Excel. Okay. Now, what are the other line style you can use apart from Excel dot, right? So if you notice here in a very small letters, when I have clicked on Excel dot, I'm also getting a number which is minus 4118, right? So instead of writing Excel dot, you can also write is equal to minus 4118, right? Similarly, I'll show you more line styles which you can use. So these are the line styles which you can use. Excel continuous, or you can just write one, Excel dash, or you can just write this number. And there are more which line styles you can use, right? And I think there is one more, which is Excel slant dash dat dot. So these are all the line style. And as you see, this was the number which was coming up when I was clicking on Excel dot, right? So these are the different line styles. You can play around with them and use whichever is useful to you or whichever you like, right? Moving on to the colors which are inbuilt in VBA itself. So VB black you can write for black color fonts, but this is by default. So you might not require this. But yeah, if there is already a different color font, then you might need to, or sorry, different color border, then you might need to use this VB black. Similarly, you can use red, green, yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, and white, right? So all these colors you can use. And in addition to that, if you want to use any other colors, I'll show you how you can use that. So you can write RGB, and then you can write the color number if you know. So for example, for red it is 255 and 0. So similarly, if you know RGB code of any color, so you can apply any other color by writing the RGB code in this way. Okay. Once again, after is equal to, instead of VB red, VB green, it is RGB, and then in brackets you have 3 numbers separated by commas. Okay. And now I'll show you the weight you can assign. So as you noticed, I have mentioned here, this is the maximum thickness that is allowed in Excel. Weight maximum is 4. You can also apply thinner lines, like 1 is the lowest, medium is this, and thick is this. So you can either write weight is equal to 4, or you can also write XL thick. They both are going to do the same thing. Similarly, you can write XL hairline or weight is equal to 1. They are going to do the same thing, right? So this way you can apply the borders and different type of line weights or colors or line styles. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please feel free to share your feedback in comments, and if there is any topic you want me to cover in my next videos, please mention that, right? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn this amazing stuff. Thank you very much and have a great day.